You see that right here? Husbands. They just get dressed and throw all their clothes that they don't want to wear on the bed. Please excuse. So anyways, hey divas, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Maid, and I am so glad you decided to press play on this here video, because today's video is of course another quick get ready with me. This video is going to be a talk through on the eyes, and I achieved this look using the Morphe palettes that you can find at Ulta, and this one is 9A, always golden. Gotta cover up the mirror. This is the perfect nude palette, and I also used the 9C Jewel Crew. So as you see, this banging purple right here, that went on the lid. So I used the combination of these two palettes. You can get them at Ulta for $12. I think they're only sold at Ulta. They're like an Ulta exclusive. So I just, decided to create a look using this. I'm in a rush, guys, so this introduction is going to be all over the place. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end it. But all over the place. I'm not even gonna edit this out. Screw that. We're just gonna keep it rolling. But anyways, so I just came up with this look with these very cute, affordable palettes. And like I said, I used the beautiful purple color, Purple Rain, on here to create this look. This is actually, I want to say, a date night look, because technically it is date night or date evening, because we are out the door about to go catch a dinner, about to get some sushi. And but yeah, you want to see how I created this here look, then you need to do, oh, I gotta go downstairs and take some selfies for my thumbnail. Ooh. But anyway, you need to do yourself a favor and continue to watch. Till next time, divas. Alright, divas, the first thing that we're going to do is go into the color Myself, and we are using the 9A Always Golden palette, and we are going to use Myself as a transition color. We're gonna go back into the Always Golden palette, and we're gonna use this color right here called Bruise, and we are going to place that into the crease as well. Next, we're going to use a concealer, and we're gonna put that on the lid as a base, so the next colors can stick to it fairly well. Now we're using the Jewel Crew palette by Morphe, and we're going to use this beautiful purple color. I'm gonna pop that on the lid. That color is so banging, isn't it? As you see, I didn't carry it all the way to the end of the lid. I just did basically 3/4 the way, and with the little leftover spot in the last quarter of our eye, we're going to use, what color did I use? Oh, we're going to use Flex. Now, because I live for a good blended eye look, I'm going to take it up a notch, and I'm going to use the color Splendid right here. Oh no, is it Splendid? Oh, sorry, wrong one. It is Taken. This chocolatey dark brown color, Taken. and I'm going to blend out where I put flecks and what color is this? Bruise. So I'm going to blend those two colors out. And I'm going to use the brush that I put bruise on. I'm not going to add any more product because there's enough product on here. And then I am just going to blend out what, I can't get these colors together. And I'm going to blend out Taken. Last but not least, we are going to take this color right here called Stone Fox. And we're not going to use a lot of the product. We're just going to use just a little bit because I really don't want it to be that visible. So I'm going to put it on my brush, and then I'm just going to tap the excess like on my arm, or if you got a paper towel, tap it there or something. And then we are going to blend out the top part of our eye.